Bangladesh, land of natural scenic beauty, color and culture. It hosts the largest mangrove forest in the world, the Sundarbans, which is the home of the majestic Royal Bengal tiger. The longest natural beach, Cox's Bazar, and Kuakata, one of the only sea beaches where both the sunrise and sunset can be enjoyed. In 1971, Bangladesh was born with capabilities of a promising nation. More than 3/4 of Bangladesh's export earnings come from the garment industry, which is the highest export revenue generator. This vast industry employs more than 3 million workers, 90% of whom are women. The ready-made garments industry flourished in the 1980s and 1990s, although the development in the backward linkage sector has been comparatively insufficient. Mahim Group recognized the need to increase value in this sector and established Hamid Fabrics Limited in 1996. The initiation of a strong backward linkage caters to the progression of the potential RMG sector of Bangladesh. It is a massive market and HFL dedicatedly caters to its progression. HFL made its debut with a modest setup of 172 Ishikawa rapier looms under the dynamic management of Mr. Abdullah Al Mahmood Mahi.
Hamid is the name of my father and means praiseworthy. The staying true to the essence of its name, the Hamid Fabrics has been built with a vision to set a benchmark of excellence in textile manufacturing unit in Bangladesh. Hamid is the leader in continuous dyeing mill not only in Bangladesh, also in Southeast Asia.
The dyeing and finishing unit was established in 2003. It is considered to be a fully automated, state-of-the-art, continuous dyeing facility in Bangladesh. The pre-treatment and dyeing range consists of brand new machineries from renowned German and Japanese companies like Küsters, Bruckner and Kyoto. The finishing range consists of German and Italian machinery from Bruckner, Lamperti and Unitec. The implementation of such machinery, combined with the skilled dedication of the workforce, results in a capacity of about 30 million meters per year. HFL maintains systematic procedures to ensure the highest form of quality.
I have been involved with Hamid Fabric Limited from the very beginning in 2003. At Hamid Fabric, we persisted high-quality, eco-friendly fabrics. And chemical from renowned European companies like BASF, Benzema, Textile, Huntsman.
High-quality yarn is used from renowned spinners in Bangladesh, India, Thailand and Indonesia.
We weave all kind of grey fabrics, all kind of structural as well as stretch fabrics here. Performance-wise, we are recognized as model factory for Toyota in Bangladesh. Such a recognition from Toyota is not so easy. Maintain this level by the infrastructure we got and the whole team performance. I feel proud to lead our weaving unit.
As fabric accounts for more than 70% of the total garment cost, Hamid Weaving Mills Limited was established to promote self-sufficiency in this sector. The laboratory is fully equipped with all types of testing facilities with modern apparatus from the USA. In-house test methods cover BS, ISO, ASTM and AATCC. At the same time, the American 4-point quality system is strictly followed in HFL.
We are having world-class machines which are being treated as like our babies. We are strictly following the schedule maintenance as per the machine supplier recommendations. That's why all our machines are still as new as it was. Even after 8 years into the productions, our machines are still capable of working at more than 90% efficiency.
Maheen Group believes in smooth operations for quality production. The company uses its own 3 megawatt power generator and 2 boilers of 10-ton capacity each, rather than depending on the regular utility facilities. HFL follows international standards in every step of production and cares for the environment. The ETP facility follows World Bank guidelines and ensures that 100% of the water being treated and discharged is for safe use.
Journey started with my father. I'm the second generation in the family. The third generation slowly entering the family business.
After completing my master's, I decided to return to Bangladesh to contribute to our family business. The textile division of Maheen Group has massive plans for expansion in the future. We plan to set up a yarn dyeing facility in the upcoming year with a capacity of 12 to 15 million meters per annum. As a representative of the third generation of the group, we aim to grow the company further and also help Bangladesh move forward in the process.
Already from outside it looked completely different from the other mills we had seen in the past days, and also inside it was so amazing to us to have seen such an organized and clean company. It was really an excellent experience to us. Compliments, I have to say.
It's like the perfect textile mill that should be in the world, in any country, for the safety, for the environmental, for the productivity. Even the conditioning system is very, let's say, it's pleasant.
Superior production quality rewards Hamid Fabrics to get with the opportunity to cater to world-renowned mega brands like Next, Marks & Spencer, Zara, H&M, LC Waikiki, Tesco, BHS, St. Oliver, and many more. Ventures like Hamid Fabrics have established Bangladesh as one of the leading players in apparel sector, which produces clothing for billions of people around the world every year. Fashion always changes over time, and Hamid Fabrics always matches those trends with its superior, unique quality and passion. Everyone promises quality, we ensure it. Hamid Fabrics Limited, moving forward with Bangladesh.